Today we have SilverCrest hand mixer. Power consumption 300 watts. Continuous operation max 10 minutes. We bought it 4 years ago in Lidl, 15 euros. He has got things for bread and things for cakes. Today we will do pancakes, and because we do pancakes, we need these things only. To our mixer, we bought a bowl from Lidl for 5 euros. It's very comfortable because it has this thing. But if you have something like with milk for butter cookies, this thing will be very comfortable because nothing from here can to be free to go away. Clean table. So go to make pancakes. First we need to have some flour. Okay, the flour. Now we need some sugar. Or sugar. No, some salt. Soda. And something else. Or you can use baking powder. So now we need to close it and with our mixer to mix it. Now we need to have egg. Mix again. Now we need to get the milk. And 3 spoons of oil, better olive oil. And mix it again. Everything is done. Now let's turn on the stove. First pancakes are going to be ready. First side is ready. Now the pancakes are ready. Now to the plate. They're so beautiful. Now we need something on the pancakes. How you like can it, but I like with strawberry. Okay, let's taste it. It's very tasty.